Welcome back, friends. We have seen how to express weak entity set. We express weak entity set using double rectangle. We show the relationship set present between weak entity set to its identifying strong entity set is shown by double diamond. Next point is redundant attributes. Redundant means duplicate, which are copied. For example, the name present Sachin Tendulkar 10 times. It indicates it is a redundant data, duplicate data, right? So such redundant attributes we are going to see. Suppose we have entity set instructor with attributes ID, instructor ID, name of instructor, department underscore name, and salary. So we are assuming we have a entity set instructor with attributes ID, name, department underscore name, and salary. Now we have one more entity set, that is department. Department entity set with attributes department underscore name, building, and budget. We know that each instructor has an associated department using a relationship instructor department. If instructor is there, definitely he will be working under one department. For example, instructor of civil will be working under the civil department, such a way. So each instructor has an associated department, and we can show the relationship set instructor underscore department. The attribute department underscore name appears in both entity set. So you can observe department underscore name comes in instructor also and in department also. Now, since the department underscore name acts as primary key for entity set department, it will replicate information present in the relationship and is therefore the redundant in the entity set instructor, which needs to be removed. As department underscore name is a primary key, and if it is coming with relationship set with the instructor and department, then definitely same data will be shown in department underscore name of instructor relation also. Here we can say it is a redundant data, duplicate data, replicated data. And if redundancy is there, then we need to remove the redundancy. Duplication of data is there, then we have to remove the duplicated data. Sometime when we convert back to tables, in some cases the attribute values get reintroduced. How to tackle with this, we are going to see in future. Redundant data means suppose roll number 21 information is again and again present in the table. Same data is present in the table more than one time. Then such data is redundant and we need to remove it.